Good morning, everybody. A little bit after 9:30 in the morning here on a beautiful Thursday from Tampa, Florida. Today's a special day. Today we are going to get to meet one of the original YouTube sensations that got me started being on social media, being on YouTube, being in the community. He didn't get me started selling. I've been selling for, the better part of 10, 11 years, but certainly got me going on this entire world. So we're headed to the airport. Mr. Steve Raiken lands here in just about an hour, so we're gonna go scoop him up at Tampa International, and we're gonna hang out for the day. We're gonna hang out for the night, and we're also gonna get to see Ryan and Allie from Rally Roots, and as a bigger bonus, 3 people, we're gonna get to go see Eric, the college picker. I've not met Steve Raiken, I've not met Eric, so let's shoot on over to the airport and grab Raiken up. All right, we're in the terminal and we're gonna scoop up Steve and Raiken. We're just kind of sitting here so I can film for a minute. We're not really driving. He is off the plane, and as far as I know, he's down. He doesn't have a bag to claim, so he should be up here in just a minute or two. I may have to circle once or twice. Don't worry, guys, we're stopped at a red light, but since I have a minute, look who's in the I-8 next to me.
What's up, guys?
Steve Raiken, Raiken Prophet.
Tampa.
Hanging out in
over
Florida.
Here.
78 degrees. He picked a good day to come. He's in town for AdCon, which is at the Westin downtown. We just went and had lunch attached to the building. It's called Jackson's. If you're local, you know Jackson's. They're amazing food, incredible food. How was that salad? Oh man, I'm not even kidding. That was like one of the best salads. It had like peas in it and like all different types of things. It had some so dressing good. That was it was good. Nice. It was like a mayonnaise. Kate eats that salad. I've tasted it. It's a really good salad. I had like a lobster roll.
It was a Thai grilled.
Thai grilled chicken. Incredible. Anyways, if you're ever in Tampa, Jackson's Harbor Island, Jackson's Bistro Harbor Island, amazing food. Amazing.
Well, we just drop the link to that salad down below.
Yeah, we'll drop the link. We'll give you an affiliate link to the salad. Anyways, we're gonna go surprise Rally Roots, Ryan and Allie. Rally Roots. They don't know we're coming. We're about 2, maybe 3 miles from their warehouse. It's on my way back to my neighborhood. So hopefully they're working and not sourcing. Otherwise, we'll just hang out with Callie for a while. Whatever.
Sneak up on them.
Shh, let's go get them. All right, we're at the Rally Roots building and I see their vehicle. They are here. They have no idea we're walking in. So let's go get them. So Rally Roots headquarters. Oh, look at them. They saw, I told you they'd see us before we saw them.
I saw your car pull up.
Callie. Oh, good to see you again.
Weren't you just on the thrift battle?
Didn't we just
do a thrift battle and you won?
People are saying college picker won though after it. I'm just kidding.
We're getting the straw poll going. These
So I didn't put the address or anything.
No.
So you know.
Welcome to the Rally Roots building. You guys have seen this whole crazy thing though. Oh, you moved the photo up here.
Yeah,
look at this.
All
right, we're hanging out in the Rally Roots warehouse with Callie. Look at Allie and Steve trying on the Harley blanket from the thrift battle last night.
We each get 1 flea.
Each one, they're sharing the bed bugs.
We got a bed bug down.
They're sharing the bed bugs.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
There are the worst thing in the world.
It's been like a growing trend topic lately.
That keeps giving.
The gift that keeps giving. All right, so we just ambushed Ryan at Coppertail. Ryan's down the end of the thing. Ryan, say hi.
He's trying to film too. See you right there.
Well, yeah, we just ambushed him at Coppertail. So, Ryan, say hello. Say hi, Ryan. What's up, guys? There you go. And Ryan had a meetup mentorship today with Micah, who got his mind blown because we're all here in person. It's surreal. All right, brought Steve, Ryan, Allie, and Eric, college picker, to one of my favorite spots, Whiskey Joe's. He'll be here soon. My first time meeting Eric, so I'll show you guys Eric in just a minute. First time in the history of ever. Oh, first time since the wedding. This guy, what is up, college picker, Eric. And I get to say congratulations to the new bride.
This is my wife, Rachel.
Very nice. Good job, guys. Way to lock it down. The wild man.
Dude, I saw you in your video and I noticed that you were putting something up here.
Last one to the restaurant pays the bill. Last one pays the bill. Oh!
How funny is it? We saw each other yesterday.
That's so funny.
What's up, guys?
Say hi again.
You already know Steve. How was the workout?
Wait, we've already seen these two today. They've already made their cameos. This is the most incredible jambalaya ever. And then Ryan grabbing the steak. Wow.
Stepping up my game, girl.
Raiken eating healthy.
Rally Roach.
We did the Ralli roots in the car. We got a little mojo steak taco.
Next to me, man. No
Catching Raiken vlogging. Raiken doing a little vlogging out over the water. Look at that. Ryan and Allie slacking, watching.
Is the choice of leaves?
We're getting demonetized. I got that, don't worry.
Get some B-roll of this bird, dude. Whoa, look at the bird. Go get some B-roll of that bird. It's like all Florida.
My B-roll is of Casey and Raiken. B-roll of this bird. I'll take a B-roll of him taking B-roll. B-roll instead of hey, stop B-rolling me.
You've been B-rolled?
That's really good
Alright, Ryan, anything you want to say? No. Fair enough. Allie, anything you want to say?
The rocks are warm.
The rocks are warm. Did you pick that up? I may have got that on video. Eric, seriously.
I mean, it's physics. You don't pick one from the. You don't pick one from the.
Are we gonna get a physics? I'm putting this in. This is like A++ roll.
Is that hot? We can get a warm one.
Oh my god.
Come here.
If one of them gets hurt, I've got this.
If one of them
God,
gets
I want
hurt,
this one.
Got it.
get a warm one. That one's not hot.
Thank you. You're listening to Liz and Lucas.
Somebody's getting a blister.
Right here.
Oh, that one was hot.
It's really good for you.
Holding the D, you want to sing that one?
Oh, that is
All
warm.
Oh, it's nice and warm.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
This is good.
Eric, anything you'd like to say besides it's physics?
I found it.
Science. Oh, I had no idea that we all would be
You
here
guys have
today.
to watch your
I know. This morning you woke up in the snow and
last night.
I don't even know where we woke up.
It was like an ice skating rink today. Typical day.
All of a sudden here we all are. Steve,
Yeah, it's crazy.
how
It's
was your
good to be
first
here.
day?
It's great, man. You did a freaking amazing job showing me around. We went out to eat. We went and
Also not here.
We got a
barged into the.
we barged into Ralli Roots warehouse.
Dude, I wasn't there.
Yeah, he was missing out. Then we barged into his mentorship.
That's right.
What happened?
Nice beer at the brewery.
Yeah.
I was doing them one-on-one meetings.
And now we're fireside.
You like it now?
I asked him. I said, "Do you want to meet Casey and?"
$20 Target, man.
Seriously?
$19.99. Oh, there you go. Good?
me.
All right.
We drop it in, right?
That's the live right there?
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Oh, this is the live one, yeah. Facebook, no, YouTube live there, and then the rest is recorded.
Do you do the drop-in method?
Yeah.
Or the Jaeger
Alright,
bombs?
Raiken.
Yeah.
Wait, we did it better. Who did it better? Rally Roots.
Oh, careful, guys.
That was
Oh, trademarks.
Lot of
So wait, we're dropping and
Wait,
going?
we dropped it.
Yeah.
It's not gonna do anything though, right? Go ahead. No, it didn't do
No, it
anything.
didn't. It
It's
didn't.
floating.
Yeah.
We just gotta take
Let's
this
have a
out.
real shot glass and it sinks to the
Hold on,
bottom.
wait, here.
No. Just
Oh, no.
shoot it, Allie.
It's all wet.
It's all wet. We're too tall. All right, go ahead, guys.
What is that?
It's gross.
That is so delicious. I
Ew.
love it. That is,
Ah,
Don't do drugs, kids.
don't do alcohol's a drug. Don't do drugs, kids.
wow.
Okay, bye. Subscribe to our channel. Watch our
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! All right, we're gonna stalk Steve-O at the bar,
Oh, what's up?
hanging out with his buddy Jameson, who's retail arbitrage. You guys may have seen him on Steve's channel. If you haven't, I'll link the video down below.
How many views does this video have?
It's like 350,000 views or something. I will. Anyways, anybody that doesn't know what he does, long story short, he drives around. I got a drink. He got a drink out of a video that made like some ridiculous money, 5Gs, yeah. If you don't know what he does, he drives around, long story short, to a bunch of stores, Walmart, Target, Toys R Us, stuff like that, and buys retail arbitrage, ships it to Amazon, and makes way more money than both of us, right?
Yeah.
And all he gets is a drink.
Hey, bro. Your camera's dying.
Oh,
man.
the battery's in
Your
the
battery.
car. All right, so that was a day with the man, Raiken Profit. And I want to thank Steve for an awesome time, awesome day. Welcome to Florida. Have an awesome time at AdCon, buddy. And thanks to Ryan and Allie for letting us barge into their warehouse and in on his mentorship and with Micah. And thanks, Eric, and your new wife. Congratulate Eric, college picker, on his new wife. Rachel, I think her name is. She left for Dubai today. Safe travels to Dubai. But thanks you guys for joining us. And thanks for Jameson stopping by as well. So thank you to all of those people for making it an awesome day. It was amazing. Got home safe last night. Everything was good. And everybody had fun. And it was an amazing time. Great to finally meet all those people in person. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with everyone you know that watches us. And go check out all those guys' channels. I'll put them all down below. Make sure you like their videos, subscribe to them, give them a little love. And can't wait to see Steve again. Hopefully I'll see him again before he rolls out of town in a couple days. Thanks everybody. I'll see you next time.